Sabbath at Ekupakamene is the realization of Isaiah Shembe's vision of paradise. People moving quietly under the trees, wearing the garments of angels, at peace with each other and their surroundings. Most of the hymns the Nazarites sing are also the work of Isaiah Shembe. Though till near the end of his life he could neither read nor write, he composed these extraordinary melodies from some source he described as his dreams. Peter Mkiza, who'd never been to a Nazarite service before, said it was the most authentic Zulu sound he'd ever heard.